G'day guys, today we're going to be trialling a XD Bigfoot on an 8-tonne Cabelco, New Holland Cabelco. So we're about to just move it down. We've just done some trialling up here in the top paddock. Extremely hard going, fist-sized type boulders and chalky rock coming out, and the trencher performed exceptionally well. So we're just going to go down, try another area, see if we can find a bit of a heavier soil, see how it goes in there. But the client's very, very happy with the performance of the Bigfoot, and he certainly thinks it's going to save him time for the hundreds and hundreds of metres of water pipe that he's going to have to lay around this property. So he's already explained that the fill coming out, he'll be able to reuse that back in the hole without having to remove it and take it off site and then bring in stuff to compact. He'll be able to compact that soil straight back in the hole, and that the trench is far neater than what he'd be able to achieve using a bucket. So we'll follow the guys down the hill and see how it performs down there. So guys, trencher works exceptionally well. We've got some a little bit softer ground, still had a couple of good size chalky rock in there, but it pulled it out nicely, cut through it, and as you can see, it's just left beautiful ground that'll easily go back into the trench. Beautiful compacted. It'll compact down really nice. It's nice and fluffy and fine, so no big chunks into the trench that'll leave air gaps or anything in there. As you see, nice and straight as compared to traditional bucket style where you've got large clumps.